Now, how do we actually go about revealing math then as what it is? Well, it can sometimes be as simple as just rewording the presentation. Sometimes it can be sharing the history of the concept. When you see how the concept was developed, it connects it with real life. It helps the student understand that this didn't just appear as a self-existent fact in a textbook. It's men using their God-given abilities to explore creation and find ways to describe the quantities and consistencies around us. Sometimes it's applying the concept in a real-life situation that can help the child see that math really is a way of describing creation. And using the concept to explore an aspect of creation, actually letting them put math in action to look at God's creation and to explore his handiwork, in which we'll see evidence of God's wisdom and care as well as evidence of the fall. And you will notice these different tactics used in this course as we go through different concepts. And there's a picture of a heart up here because just like your heart affects all of you because it pumps blood through your whole body, right? So our worldview affects how we see all of math and how we would teach all of math. And so we're going to find as we go through different concepts, it's not just a matter of saying, hey, God created this, now go learn it the way that you always have. That biblical heart, that biblical worldview is going to change how we teach and how we approach the different concepts we look at. Well, I hope after that you are as excited as I am about digging into math together. So let's start revealing arithmetic.